Hi everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year. Here's to lots of fun in 2023. The video I'm about to show you, I did a painting and it went wrong. I tried to do a Christmas tree, explosive Dutch pour, it didn't work. So I scraped the table, I scraped the work surface, and I had this really beautiful colour left over. And the video I'm now about to show you is what I did. It shows you what I did with that colour. So I ended up doing a lovely Dutch pour, very chaotic Dutch pour. And then I embellished it, and I embellished it with some turtles because it looked like an underwater scene. So really happy with the results. So different from anything I've done before. So let me show you. So the canvas is 40 by 50 centimetres. You can see my Christmas tree. The theory of it worked, but it just looked an absolute mess. It just looked like a 5-year-old could have done it. I wasn't happy, so I scraped it. This is the colour that has resulted from the scraping. So it's this really beautiful, really pale pastel-y teal colour. So because the canvas is still wet, and because I've just mixed this really interesting colour, I'm going to use this as the base for a Dutch pour. It feels a little bit on the thick side, so I'm just going to add a squirt of water. I think it's just thickened up because all the paints have been on the canvas and the air has got to it. I think it's just evaporated the water in the paint slightly, so yeah, it's just thickened naturally. For my Dutch pour, that's still a bit thick actually. For the Dutch pour consistency, it should pour straight off. So it's just basically slightly thicker than water. It just goes straight under the surface. It doesn't leave a mound until you get to the end. Still, do you know, it still feels a bit thick. Oh, now I'm spilling it. That's okay. Okay, I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to use this as my base. So what I've decided to do with this Dutch pour is, I don't particularly like lots of negative space, so I'm not going to have much negative space. I'm going to do some lines, some swirls, starting from one corner and kind of going up. So a bit like an explosive Dutch pour, but really starting in one corner, I think. So I've got some, what's this? Daler Rowney Prussian Blue. So then I'm just going to add some more paint over the top of those lines, but in some wiggles. So this is Amsterdam Bronze. So I've just tried to pick some colours which I feel go well with this base colour. Some pearl white, let's put that on next. And then I've got some Daler Rowney Phthalo Turquoise. Said I don't like negative space, so let's just add in a few more lines just where the colours get a bit thinner. Right, that's all the colour down. Let's give it a torch. There's some really big air bubbles. So I think I'm just going to blow this out from this direction across the canvas, across this way. Right, let's try, see what happens. Missing some colour there. Wow, the colours are beautiful. I'm just going to blend it a little bit more. There's a few spots I'm not so happy with, but these colours together are absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this. The effects are so pretty. The combination of colours I am so happy with. I like the white in it, the bronze in it, the dark blue, the turquoise. It just blends beautifully with that base colour. You can't see that much of the base, but there are flecks of it everywhere. So it is a really obvious colour still. It is just so pretty. I really love the composition starting from this end and then blowing out that way. To me, it looks a little bit like, if you imagine under the sea, the seaweed that's floating in the water, in the stream of the water. It's going downstream. So pretty. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I don't think it's probably a painting by itself. I think I would probably use this as a base of something. But I'm just so happy considering I've just basically used the scraped paint from my worktop from the previous pour. Hate wasting paint, didn't want to throw it away. So really happy with this result. So I've now finished. I'm really happy with the result. I ended up going around each of the turtles with silver. So I first of all painted them black, then I painted the dark blue over the top because I just felt that blended better. And then I went over with a thick Posca pen, silver pen, just to outline the turtles. I just felt, I don't know, I wasn't happy. I just wanted to outline them in some way. I thought of using white, but then I thought that's just going to be far too stark. So I think they now blend in really nicely. They are perfect for this background. So it really looks like the reeds in the sea, seaweed floating. Yeah, I just think it has such an underwater feel to it. So yeah, really happy. If I hadn't have done the turtles, I think I love the effect of it, but I don't think it was enough as a painting by itself. I think it looked a bit boring, although the effect was really pretty. It's really iridescent. Let me show you the shine. So you've got the shine from the silver. So in fact, you can see there, it stands out a lot more, that silver. So the turtles really stand out. And then look, you've got that iridescence from the bronze there. And the pearl, was it the silver or pearl white? I can't remember which I used now. So actually, yeah, shining the light on it really makes everything stand out well. So please let me know what you think. Do you like this embellishment? Do you think it works? Do you think it's the right embellishment for this pour? Let me know. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel. Great, thank you so much for watching. Bye.